The food system of Kolding. In Kolding, we want to spearhead the development of a more sustainable food system. A good starting point is getting a shared understanding of what a food system is and how it currently looks in Kolding. The food system covers the entire value chain, from farm to fork, from cultivation and food production, distribution in the supermarkets, and on food markets to the consumption, where it is finally served on the plate and eaten. Food waste is generated across the entire system. Actually, 1/3 of the food goes to waste throughout the process. Therefore, food waste is defined as a separate area in the process. In the center of it all is the governance setup, which defines the policies and ensures the implementation and development. Let's take a look into today's food system of Kolding. Production and processing. Almost 70% of the area of the municipality is farmland. Despite this fact, only few local food producers exist. The soil is really good, especially for cultivating grass, and more than 60% of the farmland is used for cultivating grain and animal feed production. The fjord is suffering from hypoxia and consequently has a low fish stock. However, it is full of crabs. There are 4 small urban gardens, a therapy garden, and 10 allotment areas, which consist of 748 gardens. There is a limited number of food manufacturers, but we can proudly say that Kolding is the first wine region in Denmark. Distribution and transport. There is a low awareness and availability of local produced food in Kolding. We have 2 small food markets, but no food festival. Kolding is a shopping town with a large mall, a city center, and close to 100 grocery stores. Kolding is based in the Triangle area, which lies centrally to Denmark, and a hub for transportation, train, air, road and sea. Consumers and behavior. There is no strong food culture or local dish which Kolding is known for. Kolding is known as Slice Town, as in pizza slice. The citizens of Kolding have a low share of organic food consumption. It is only 7%, compared to 10% on a national level. In Denmark, we only use about 10% of our income on food, which is lower than in other European countries. In relation to health measures, we focus on equilibrium and well-being versus over and or underweight. The Danish Food Agency has launched national climate and nutrition recommendations as guidelines for healthy and climate-friendly food consumption. There is no overall brand for local produced food, but well-known national icons for organic, Danish-produced, and nutritious food. There are only 4 school gardens and limited educational material and focus on sustainable food cultivation in the public school of Kolding. And then there is the area of food waste. Traditional organic food is served in the public canteens of the municipality, but there are no data on food waste and CO2 footprint. There is no general food waste data of the food system in Kolding. We have 3 local and 1 national NGO, which collect and hand out surplus food to citizens and social organizations. The citizens are sorting their waste in 7 fragments, including bio-waste, which is turned into bio-waste companies. Restaurants, etc., are still not sorting their waste. In the center of all is the governance structure, which sets the direction for the vision of the food system and ensures the commitment to succeed. The governance structure can consist of an internal food committee, a food council, and a food policy and strategy. Currently, there are no cross-functional food system governance structure in Kolding. Food-related subjects are managed separately in the individual administrations. We also don't have a food council, yet. We have a sustainability strategy, Kolding 2030, but no overall food strategy or food policy. The individual policies are managed within the different administrations of the municipality. The governance structure needs to be built up from scratch and will be key to develop a more sustainable food system. By understanding our starting point and what the food system of Kolding looks like today, we can start the dialogue of where we want to take it. We're looking forward to the journey towards a more sustainable food system. Thank you for joining. For more information, please go to koldingfood2030.dk.